So basically the context for this video is I work full-time at a bakery, and about 2 weeks ago, a bird flew into the bakery I worked at, and this happens.
There's a bloody bird up there. Yeah, there he is. Alright, come on, buddy. Come on. There he goes. Alright, come on. Oh, shit. There he is. He's up there. Look. Hold on. There he is. Oh, here he comes. Oh shit. Oh, he fell. Oh. Bloody hell, he's flying everywhere. Oh, wait. He's... Oh my god, oh, wait. Oh, there he is. He's up there. Hey, buddy. Alright, we finally got him out. I don't know where he's gone off to, but he's out now. And he left a huge mess inside.
So yeah, that happens. But here's something else though. Literally 2 weeks later, on a day I worked 5:30 AM till 5 PM, fun fact, I shit you not, the same bird flew into the bakery.
Bloody bird is back again! Are you... Alright, we're trying to do the same thing we did last. Oh, get him! Oh. No, go back that way! Go back. Oh. No. We're trying to get him to that window so we can grab him and throw him out. Oh, shit. Where is he? He's around here. Oh my god. Finally, he's out. Bloody bastard. I'll tell you what though, if that bird comes back a third time, I'm catching him and turning him into a pie. I am so fed up with him. He's gone now, but if he comes back, it's the last day of his life.